Hey guys, so today we're gonna make some wood stain with a couple simple items that you probably have at home, like vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, copper, and steel wool. I will have the complete list of supplies in the info box below. To get started, add the copper to one of the glass containers. Take the steel wool apart like this and add it to the second container. Add about a cup of vinegar to each of the containers. Now add about a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide to each container. You can already see the chemical reaction taking place in the fine steel wool container. Now give it a little mix and you can see how beautiful this color is already turning out. And now let them rest for at least a couple hours. Look at the beautiful color coming through. This has been about 15 minutes from when we first poured in our chemicals. After 8 hours, this is what the stains should look like. For the copper stain, just give it a quick stir to get everything, all the color out of the copper. And for the steel wool, we are actually going to pour it into another container so that we can strain all of the steel wool out. So you need a rag, any rag will do. Hold it in place with a rubber band or a ponytail holder and then strain. Just make sure to get all the metallic parts out of the stain. The stain should look like this after it's been strained. And this is what the results are. We have the original, we have the one coat, the second coat, the third coat, fourth coat, and fifth coat. And I think it evens out at the sixth coat. I don't think there's much difference between the fifth and sixth. So that's where I think it stains out. And then for the blue one, we did the same thing. I have the original, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of actually layers. And you can see it kind of wears out towards the end. There's not much difference between the fifth and the sixth. Let me know what you think. Also, I did it on paper, but I only did it original. Obviously, the sheet's white. So, and then this is the fifth layer, and I just left it at that. And there you have it, guys. 2 beautiful stains made with vinegar. Let me know what is it that you like about this video. Tell me how you will use these stains. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag me. And please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.